Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, those of you that are yet to subscribe, guys, make sure you click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, make sure you share, and make your comments. I definitely would love to watch out for it. And also, to those of you that are yet to follow us on Telegram, guys, you will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. All I want you to do is just go to the comment section. You will see the link. You will find the link to the Telegram channel. Click on it. Follow us on Telegram because we'll be putting out 1 or 2 updates that will be useful for you there. Now let's take a look at gold. I literally did analysis on gold for you guys. It was not day before yesterday. Yes, I tell you guys that gold. We are now on a bearish move on gold. At first, we were on a bullish move, which I talked about. Later, I told you guys that we need some confirmation. I need, some confirmation, to give you guys that we are now on a bearish move on gold, right? And guess what? The confirmation, we've now gotten the confirmation. So clearly, we are now on a bearish move. Now let's take a look at something like this. This is a lower lows. This is a lower highs. This is another lower lows that took out the previous lows. This is a lower highs. What next are you expecting on gold? Definitely a new lower lows is what we will be expecting on gold. Coupled with the fact that we've come to this our 20 period simple moving average. At first, we had this drop, right? If you take a look at it here, you will see that there is a crossover. 10 period crossed below the 20 period. I mean, when you see this crossover movement like this, especially on the higher time frame, you will know that that is now a bearish move. That is an indication that more sell is coming. So it happened, it did that. Then there was a pullback that came to the 10 period simple moving average, which rejected, it has dropped. Now, what can you see here? There's a pullback to this your 20 period, our 20 period simple moving average. So what next do you expect? Definitely a drop is what will happen. So currently the drop is literally playing out, right? So you can see the drop is literally playing. So we'll be expecting more drop. But once we go to the 1 hour time frame, I feel there will be one more spike up to take out a lot of traders, because I'm sure a lot of traders will be selling on this sell. Maybe there are stop losses at break even. The markets might want to come up, push up. It usually happens in New Year's Asian session. You will notice that if probably market is dropping, right? Probably New Year's London section or New York section, you see that Asian section usually be the retracement place. So I believe markets will push up a little bit. Probably here they will be getting another sell. That is what I believe. So if there's going to be any changes, I'll make sure I give you guys an update. So make sure, that is why I want you to follow us on Telegram so you can get that update. The link to the Telegram channel will be in the comment section.